how to change your Instagram password. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram password. Now, before I get into this video, let me just let you guys know that if this video helped you at all, could you please leave a thumbs up? It would really help my channel grow, and the more my channel grow, the more I can provide more content for you guys. All right, so let's get into how to change your Instagram password. This is very simple to do. You could do it right here on your mobile phone. All you have to do is follow this step by step in this video and you should be good to go. So step number one, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have Instagram downloaded on your mobile device. Once Instagram is on your phone, all you're going to do is launch the app. The app is right here. We're going to launch the app. Now, the first thing you want to do when you launch the app is click on your profile picture down here on the bottom right here. Boom. Once you hit that, you're going to hit these three dots up here on the top right corner. So let me hit that right now. And then, as you can see, you should have a page that looks just like this. All right. Once you get on this part, all you're going to do is click on settings, which is on the top right here. You just click settings. Boom. All right. Now that we're in settings, you're simply going to search for security. All right. So scroll down until you see security, which is right here. Security. You click on security, and as you can see, you have password right there. Hold on, let me move this YouTube thing out the way. All right, so you have password right here. You're gonna click on password. And there you have it, guys. Once you have clicked on password, this is where you're able to change your Instagram password. So all you're going to do from this point, guys, is put in the password that you want. It says current password. First thing you do is you put in your current password. So whatever your regular password is, you will type that in right here. Then you will put in your new password. Whatever you want your new password to be, you will type that in right here. And then you will put in your new password again.
How do I set up multi-room music on my Echo?
Don't be
1 second.
No.
Hold on, guys. 1 second. I'm trying to do something. All right, you will put in your new password again right here. And boom, once you do that, you should be able to change your password. I'm not going to change my password on here because I have already changed my password and I don't want to do it again. But guys, that is exactly how you change your Instagram password. And just to show you guys this one more time, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up. It will really help my channel grow a lot. But let me just show you guys this one more time, what I just did, so that you guys can copy this for yourself. The first thing I did was click on Instagram. So you click on the Instagram app, and you'll be brought to the home screen. If you're on the home screen, you're simply going to click on your profile picture down here on the bottom right corner. Sorry about that coughing, but after you do that, you click on these three dots up here, and then you'll click on settings. All right. Once you click settings, you should see where's my setting? Password. Okay, settings. Where is it? Security. That's where you go to. Security, which is right here. Security. Click on it, and then from security, you will hit password right there on the top, and then you'll change your password here. All right. And then once you're done, you just click done right there and you should be good to go. All right. And just save it. And that is how you change your Instagram password. Again, guys, I hope this video was very helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check all the links in the description. Also, guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any other videos that I upload this year. I'm on the road to hit 100,000 subscribers. So if you can help out by subscribing, that would be pretty good. All right. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.